This quick honest review is of the Drops Active Wash Laundry Detergent. Let me show you. So the Drops is the brand name of the laundry detergent. This particular one that I have here has 24 pods. They come in pods, which make it really convenient. You don't have to worry about trying to measure out how much detergent to put in for each load. You literally just put one in for every load, unless it's a really big load, and you can put two in. It's developed for sports washes, so it fights stains, odors, and it works on all different types of machines, and it's also plant-based, so doesn't have a lot of the chemicals and other sort of things that they typically get in the washing liquid that laundry detergent liquid that you'd use. Using it, it's actually seems to work really well. No complaints at all about it. The packaging is actually pretty neat how it sort of comes in the. This one goes 24 pods. They have larger sizes as well, but this one's just has 24 pods, and runs at about on Amazon it's about $13-14 approximately. I got the unscented version, so there's no scent to it. They do have like a couple of other scents as well, and as I said, this is the 24 pod, so I just got the smaller one just to try it out and see if I liked it, which I did. There is they also come in 64 and 120 count as well. Obviously those are going to be a lot more cost effective per usage, but as I said, I just started off with a 24 count one just to get just see what it was like, and overall I'm a fan. Really convenient to use the little pods. Price wise, so for the 24 it's a little on the high side, but I think the next one I'll probably buy is a much larger size, which would be like 120 count, which runs about $45. So definitely far more cost effective the larger the size you buy, and overall really like it. Thumbs up on this product. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.